Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a house using Zillow in 2026 so you can leverage the latest AI-driven studio features, navigate the current market with professional confidence, and secure your next high-end property with a streamlined, technical approach. Let's get into it. First, enter your search criteria. The first step is defining your target area. In 2026, the Zillow home screen is your mechanical necessity for launching a high-end property search, allowing you to candidly jump to any neighborhood in seconds. From the Zillow home screen, locate the search bar in the center of the page. Type in your target zip code, like 90210, or a specific street address. Press Enter or click the magnifying glass icon. Starting with a specific location ensures your market analysis is geographically relevant. Whether you are looking for a technical video backdrop or a new office, this initial input sets the studio boundaries for your search. Next, access and adjust primary filters. To maintain a professional standard, you need to technically refine your results so you aren't overwhelmed by listings that don't meet your 2026 criteria. Once your results load, look at the top navigation bar for the filter options. Click on For Sale to confirm your listing type, then move to the Price dropdown. In 2026, adjusting the price range is a mechanical necessity for proper 2026 bookkeeping. It prevents you from wasting time on properties that fall outside your high-end investment budget. Next, refine the price range and home type. Now you can technically dial in the specific numbers to ensure your professional network only sees the most viable leads. Within the price dropdown, move the sliders or type in your minimum and maximum values. Next, click on Home Type and select the studio or residential styles you prefer, such as houses or townhomes, and uncheck amateur quality options like land or multifamily if they don't fit your script. Click on a listing photo or a price dot on the map that catches your eye. The listing details page will open. Here you can candidly review high-end 2026 photos, check the Zestimate, and look for technical features like EV charging or high-speed fiber internet. And that's pretty much it. To effectively find a home on Zillow, start by entering a zip code or address into the home screen search bar. Use the top navigation filters to set a realistic price range and select your preferred home types. Navigate the interactive map to see how listings are situated in the neighborhood, and finally, select a listing to review its full details and photos. This structured approach ensures you find a property that fits both your budget and your lifestyle. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.